Hello guys! In today's video we'll show a nice way of telling a story using About section. You'll learn how to build it yourself with just plain free Gutenberg editor. Here we have a blank page. Let's add a cover block and pick an image to use as a background from the media library. Now we make this block full width and use a simple handle for the focal point to choose which part of the image we want on a display. Also, we can use a fixed background option to make image stay as it is when we scroll, creating something similar to parallax. Now let's add columns block into the cover block. I add 2 columns and place a heading in the first column. Make sure the markup and the alignment is correct. Now moving to the second column, I place here a simple paragraph block with a text excerpt. Another way to create About Us block is to use columns without any background. I add 2 columns to set a layout and make them full width. Now let's place a cover block into our first column. I pick an image from the media library for it. Let's add a heading for our first column here and change its alignment and style it a bit. I also decided upon changing the font color. Now let's see the background image focal point and make the overlay less dense. Let's add more content to this block now. The next thing we do is adding a spacer to create some negative space. The second column can be built the same way. This second way of showcasing information will do for displaying features or services you provide. You can also add a button here if you want, and link such blocks somewhere. These pretty little banners will allow you to tell the key points of your business, while the section above will better do if you've got more content and want to showcase a full story. Alright, we drag both images down to get more height. Now let's go to the front end and see the results. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about building with Gutenberg. Cheers!